Is it TP from Palestine?
No, I don't like Palestine. I like people, but I don't like Palestine.
Performance by
Israel. Oh, deh. You from Israel, Po? Po lagi.
Yes.
What do you eat tuh? Coklat. Bukan apaan loh?
Khara.
Oh, Khara. Khara mah santen. You live in Tel Aviv.
Yes.
Waduh, gue diludahin dong. Ente ada aja. Dasar ente.
She's a femme.
Oh iya. Udah mandi belum lo? Have you take a bath?
Where you from?
I am from Singapore. You from Israel?
Say Annie.
Enggak. My tongue is very sariawan.
Say Annie.
Habibi udah meninggal, panggil.
Tenang شوي. You can say
Habibi
Annie.
has passed away. Udah dikubur di taman makam pahlawan. Itu panggil lagi. Doain aja. Is it TP from Palestine?
No, I don't like Palestine. I like people, but I don't like Palestine.
You like what? People?
You don't.
You don't.
I like people, but I don't like Hamas and Palestine.
You don't like Palestine. Why you don't like Palestine? Nah?
I like people, Arabic, everybody I like, but no Palestinians.
Why? I ask you for the reason. Why?
ما يا بنزونا قد ما نفتح خططا خطيبانتا.
Karena lu habis ngambil tanah Palestina.
من شغموتا.
Besar ente. Kita ngambil tanah orang. What's your name? Hah? Ana.
No, my name is Shira Malka.
Shira Marka.
Malka ya benzona تقعد كيلو.
Iya,
You like Israel?
Israel, penjajah. Israel. Bang.
Singapore.
You from Israel, Bang?
Vamos. Yes, from Israel. Yes.
You're from Israel, Bang. You bewok, Bang, your beard.
Yes, my beard is red, yes.
Mantap, good dah, Bang. Good, mantap, Bang. Ada aja you from Tel Aviv ya, Bang?
Si, bom terah.
Bom kar lagi. Tel Aviv, you from Tel Aviv, Bang?
Yes, I live near Tel Aviv, yes.
Dasar ente, Bang. Ada aja nggak ngerti.
In Tel Aviv, a lot of señorita, yes. In Tel Aviv, a lot of señorita.
Señorita.
Yes.
I love you when you dance, señorita. Itu. Apa?
If you come to Israel, see a lot of señorita. Some señorita beautiful and some are not beautiful.
Gitu. I will find the beautiful one dah.
Yes. They want money. They are gold digger. Yes.
I have many money, Bang. Dolar, Bang. Dolar. Banyak, Bang. Saya punya duit nih. Nih, gopean nih. Tuh, nih duit nih gope. Nih, mau gak gue kasih gope? Cewek sono.
Gope, yes. They have gope. They have gope dollar, yes.
Nih gope.
Gope.
Tuh, 500. Buat mending dong. Tuh, ngeliat kalau tuh gope. Tuh, gope 500. Tuh. 500. I am rich, Bang. Loh, kayak tukang parkir nih gue, Bang. Nih, ada lagi, Bang. Nih, yang ini gope juga nih, gope. Ini gope, Bang. Tuh, yang ini 3.
You have a gold, you have a diamond.
Iya, ini 100, Bang. Cepek, namanya ini cepek. Cepek. Gope. Hello. You from Israel?
Yes.
Iya, Tel Aviv. Are you from Tel Aviv?
No, we don't think so.
Oh, you are from Haifa.
Haifa.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, from Haifa. Iya. Betul. I'm from Singapore.
Oh.
Singapore. Iya. Do you know Singapore gak?
Yes.
Very good dah. How is Israel? Is it safe?
Good.
Wonderful. We very love our country.
Very good dah. Is there any war over there?
Animal.
War.
War. We stopped the war.
Oh, good. Bagus. Don't war because it kills civilian. Betul. Jangan, nggak baik. Not good. The war. Sending rocket. There.
Yes, Hamas did this.
Sending rocket. Not good. It will kill people. What's your? It will kill.
People.
Very good dah. Iya. What's your name? Siapa namanya?
She is Bat and I'm Zona.
Bat and Zona.
Yeah.
Oh, zona nyaman. Yeah. You are beautiful. You are beauty, but you're also full. Vietnam.
Hi. Yeah, I come from Vietnam.
From Vietnam ente?
What? Yeah, do you speak Vietnamese?
What? Apa?
Do you speak Vietnamese?
Speak Indonesia, brother.
Where you from?
Indonesia.
Indonesia. So, what is the name?
My name Blender Miyako.
It's so difficult to pronounce your name.
Oh, your name Nguyen.
Yeah.
There are so many Vietnamese name Nguyen. Why Vietnamese name Nguyen always? What is the meaning of Nguyen?
Yeah. I know. So that is the name very common in Vietnamese. In Vietnam.
Yeah, I know. There are so many Vietnamese named Nguyen, but why? Why their parents name her son or daughter is Nguyen?
Because maybe the person, the mother, the dad chose that name for my other children in Vietnam.
Gitu ya. Dah gue nggak ngerti.
The PK of soccer between Indonesia team and Vietnam team.
Iya, Vietnam national team.
Are you watching?
Yeah.
So what do you think about Vietnam?
Vietnam football develop well. Very good. It's better and better. You can win Indonesia 4-0. Wow, very good. That's the result of your patience and your persistence. Because you are not changing the manager, the coach for 5 years. I hear from the media. Vietnam good in coordinating their team. They playing better than Indonesia. Indonesia changing coach mulu. Yeah, Indonesian changing coach. Always changing the coach if the result is disappointed. That's what I learned about Vietnam national team. Because if you want to get a good result, you have to be patient to your coach. Give him opportunity to make the team better. It is not a magic. In 1 month or 2 months you can perform well. No, this is a football, not magic. And yeah, the Indonesian Federation has no patience to that. Ini perpaduan David sama Yuda Keling nih.
Si Cipani Munino.
Cupapi munyenyo. Gitu.
Hey man, you can do that. You can do.
Waduh, Israel. Begini. Ngapain begini?
Palestine, it's nothing for us.
Apa Israel ya? Ente, you Israel.
You like anime?
Anime, Naruto.
Yes, Dragon Ball. You see that?
I see Boruto.
Ah, Boruto.
Boruto versus Jigen.
I have to song at Naruto. Jerry, Lesa, Jerry, Jerry.
Sousakana shimi wo yasashi shani, shimunashi sa o jikarani, mayoi nagara temoi. Like that, Panjul. Yahudi wibu. Sousakana shimi wo yasashi shani. Itu. Kanashi wo yasashi shani. Chibunashi sa o jikarani, mayoi nagara temoi, alun site, mau ikan, lah gitu. Itu namanya siapa, Bang? What's your name, Bang?
Matan.
Matan.
But my real name is Goku.
Is Goku.
Asuka saya.
Kerasakti kali ente ya. Udah Bang, ente wibu Israel. Wibu Yahudi. Yoi. Wibu Yahudi. You are Yahudi?
Yes.
Bang. Itu orang mana sih lu? Oh, Kirgistan ya, Bang?
Iya.
Kirgistan. Ente jualan cendol? Did you sell cendol?
What's your name? Your name.
My name is Pulpen Bang.
What?
Pulpen Bang. Pulpen Bang tuh, airnya tuh Pulpen Bang.
Pulpen Bang.
Yeah, Pulpen Bang.
Good.
We smoking.
Smoking.
Oh iya, smoking. Iya betul Bang. Drinking dong Bang, drinking Arinda.
Smoking cannabis.
Wah, itu you teller, you drunk.